Welcome to Innovision, where we explore the cutting edge of tomorrow's technology today. Get ready to explore 10 awesome ways alternative energy technology is changing our future. Number 1. Thorium reactors. A safer nuclear option. Thorium can power nuclear reactors with less waste. Thorium reactors are more stable than uranium ones. Number 2. Algae Biofuel. Green fuel from ponds. Algae can be turned into biofuel. Algae grows quickly and absorbs CO while producing fuel. Number 3. Piezoelectric roads. Roads that generate power as you drive. Piezoelectric crystals convert pressure into energy. Cars could generate electricity just by driving. Number 4. Gravity-based energy storage. Storing energy with rocks. Heavy blocks can store and release energy using gravity. Companies like Energy Vault are testing this method. #5 Perovskite Solar Cells. The next generation of solar panels, Perovskite Solar Cells are cheaper and more efficient. They could replace traditional silicon-based solar cells. Number 6. Wind energy without blades. Wind power without moving parts. Vortex wind turbines generate electricity from oscillations. They reduce noise and harm to birds. Number 7. Ocean thermal energy conversion. Power from the temperature of the sea. Warm surface water and deep cold water create energy. This technology is being tested in tropical regions. Number 8. Hydrogen-powered planes. Zero-emission air travel. Planes running on hydrogen fuel cells are being developed. Airbus and other companies are testing hydrogen flight. #9 Floating solar farms. Solar panels on lakes and oceans. Floating solar farms increase energy efficiency. They help reduce water evaporation and improve cooling. #10 Solar-powered desalination. Drinking water from the sun. Solar energy can desalinate seawater. This technology can provide clean water in remote areas. And that's our glimpse into the future of alternative energy technology for today. If you found this interesting, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is Innovision, where we're always looking ahead to what's next in technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.